Hey, you all are searching for how to make money online, and here I am with very important video. Three things or three ways of how you can make money online without any investment. So this sounds very lucrative. Okay, everyone wants to start a business, but you don't want to spend money in it. Okay, but here is one quick fact. Okay, the more you invest, the more you grow. But I would not tell you anything which requires investment. This is from my experience, and this is from something that I'm already doing. Okay, I'm not just talking in a thin air. I'm talking on something that I'm already doing. Okay, so three businesses, absolutely no investment. Uh, I'll talk about, maybe I can have a future video with three businesses with investment and high potential. So the business number one is very simple, and even a college student or a housemaker or a mom or someone who's at home can do very easily, and I talk about it a lot, is freelancing, my friends. Freelancing on different freelancing platforms where you can go: Fiverr, Upwork, Paper Hour, Freelancer, or there are tons of them. Okay, Truelancer.com. You can go there and you can sell your services. There's also something called as Guru.com. There are a lot of softwares where you can actually or platforms where you can go and sell your services. So if you have expertise, you know how to do this thing. Okay, you know you are good at, let's say you're a good architect, you are a good graphic designer, you are a good you have some knowledge about troubleshooting mobile issues. Okay, you can help people to manage their YouTube channel. Okay, if you can do that, message me out. I am the first person who can see your potential. I need someone to help me with that. Now if you have any expertise, and even if you don't have an expertise, guys, remember, we are living in an age where everything is accessible just with few clicks. Okay, you can go online, you can just search about something that you like and you want to learn, and then you can make money out of it. So the thing one is, sell your services or sell your expertise for free on freelancing platform and make money from it, my friend. Second is agency. So Dave, what's a agency? Okay, remember, is agency, agency is just dignified version of a freelancer or multiple freelancers working in a collaborative environment. Okay, so is this blowing up your mind like crazy? So let me just try to make it very very simple. Okay, is a agency is a group of people with specific talent to help a businesses or to help a business solve out a specific problem. For example, there are a tons of different agencies. There are content management agency, there are PR related agencies, there are website development agencies, there are specifically focused e-commerce agencies, media buying agencies. What do they really do? They help their clients to help and get a specific work done. What do they do really is, let's say I have a social media marketing agency for SaaS. Now if I go online and there is, let's say someone has launched a software, so this person who has launched the software would reach out to Devrat, which means me, that Dev, I have launched the software. Can you help me to scale the software, or can you market the software for me? So this is where I come in picture. I have an agency which helps people to grow on, help them sell their SaaS. SaaS stands for software as a service. So I help people to sell their SaaS product, and my agency does this. Okay, so they don't rely on Devrat, they rely on the agency structure, which means my graphic designer would create graphics, my media buying person would run Facebook ads and Google ads, my sales guy would close this deal, I have a client satisfaction department or customer support department. You can check out AGS course, this talks all about the agency. Just check out the description. For everything I am telling, I have something or the important valuable materials for you guys to learn more. So this is where agency is where you can do and start for free. Now how to go about it? Like in case of Fiverr or any freelancing thing, it was simple. Go on a platform and register. Remember that if someone has bought a service from you once, they can buy it again and again. So if you go on a freelancing platform, you register there, you can take the clients from there, like the people that you were working with, on a long term basis in your agency. Okay, but remember, there are some guidelines by platform, so you have to be inside those guidelines and terms. The second thing you can do is learn something, or if you have an expertise, Go out in the international market and sell the service. That's what I was doing. Like, this is the one thing that I'm doing from a long time. Okay, going out in the international market, selling my services, helping people to scale their software by doing the marketing on behalf of them. Okay, so a marketing agency is the second thing. You can do a lot of things, and I would make a lot of content around it. Just check out more associated content below for agency matters, like how to get clients for an agency and all. So that is the second thing that you can do. Third is something that I have like learned about it just time back, and it's a combination of, I would say, affiliate marketing. Okay, again, remember that I was doing affiliate marketing a lot for only software products, but this is something that I have seen right now picking up a lot of pace in India. Is what you can go and do is go on a website called as indiamart.com, INDIAMART, indiamart.com. Okay, you can go on indiamart.com and you can pick up the like, you can just go and search for a specific product. Now, what do the guidelines of the guidelines of this platform, okay, IndiaMart says is you have to do like a payment in advance and things like that. But there is a backdoor. If you just go and contact the seller, they can give you some extensions. Okay, I have seen my friends doing it, and you can do it too. Now, you get a product from there, you have a talk with the seller, you get a product from there, and after getting this product, like after getting this product from the seller, what you can do is reach out to all the people in your contact network via WhatsApp, Facebook and all, and try to tell them that this is a really important product, we have a very limited quantity, place your order. Then go on a platform called as razorpay.com, R-A-Z-O-R, Razor, and P-A-Y, Pay, razorpay.com, and take the advance payment. Okay, when you process a payment through a gateway, it creates more trust. Okay, what is a payment gateway? Payment gateway is a platform from where you take the payments. So you can go there and take the payment in advance. So you go there and you take the payment in advance. Now the money has been credited into your account, and you can give this money to the seller, buy the product and sell it to the people. And once you have that cash flow coming in, okay, you can then create a Shopify store and sell out the services in a matter of Indian e-com. Now, this is something that I'm really talking about a lot and learning about it. So you'll see a lot of content around this specific topic as soon. Okay, so these were the 3 very common, very easy ways of how you can help people to make money online. Just let me know in the comments if you want to know about anything in depth. I would be happy to cover a topic on it. Thanks.